Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa be-entertainment guys ayisebuhlungu inhliziyo yami ndibona uBabes ekhala ude watheka ke no-DJ Tira emcenga uba DJ Tira please ndiyacela bhuti khawukhe uthethe nabantu that are signed under i-label yakho bayeke ukwenza lento abayenzayo currently. Uye wabhala ke ku-Instagram uBabes uthi ke guys nothing breaks my heart and soul than this kwi-industry, a tribute to uMampintsha kodwa akaze kukhulunywe nami. Everyone just wants to use his name for their pockets. I have been saying I want to do a tribute event for ubaba kaSponge. Suddenly wonke umuntu usefuna ukuyenza without consulting me, and this has to stop. Now on the day of his funeral there was after tears kungenwa ngemali ezindaweni. I'm not going to mention names but amaciko adla wodwa uSponge akaze athole ngisho u10 randi waleyo gate. Instead I got calls from iSound guys bethi abakhokheliwe batshelwe ukuthi kuzokhokha mina. Imagine guys ngishonelwe angihlangene nale event kodwa amaciko enza isikweleti ngami. I was so mad kuthiwa one of his friends ubeqondene ne-OS gin and vodka wakhipha ama-OS abantu baphuza mahala mina ngingazi, but I was still so heartbroken because I just saw my husband ethwele ihlabathi ngesifuba. So I'm now tired of calling people asking them to stop what they are doing. For those who would say but it's just an event, okay, imali iya kubani? Okay, then at Arts and Culture SA, how did you approve this without our approval? Did you do a groundworks or check? I don't want to lie. Someday, I wish I can just wake him up and show him, look at what's happening in your name. I'm pleading with everyone. I'll do a tribute because he passed on just when he handed in his one-man show proposal. So I know what he wanted. Myekeni. Okay. Ukuthetha kanje kungivisa isilonda. It breaks me so much nina anazi. DJ Tira ngicela ukhuze i-team yakho because we can't be having the same convo over and over again. I love you so much as a brother, but some things or sometimes I wish you'd stand up as Mampintsha's old friend and say no. Awenzeli mina owena but wenzela uSponge because nami I'll probably do the same for you. Guys, ke uyawaphendula DJ Tira uthi ke ngaphinde ngagaxeleka futhi mina njalo angazi lutho ngalento. Athi ke uBabes ngiya-understand ukuthi awazi lutho but lo muntu owenze lento na he is signed under your label. Ingakho ngicela ubhuti omdala ungikhuzele bona ngoba bazosiqhatha singabi sabhekana. Okay, so yeah guys, ileyo ke i-update. Your thoughts ngiyacela asike si-engage neni kwi-comments and ngizonibona mina on my next upload. Bye.